Today, we're solving problem 15 from the AMC 10A from 2020. A positive integer divisor of 12 factorial is chosen at random. The probability that the divisor chosen is a perfect square can be expressed as m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. What is m plus n? Now you might go about listing out what 12 factorial is, counting up all the squares, then dividing by 12. That is incorrect, because there is more squares than meets the eye to 12 factorial. Let's just write 12 factorial out. 12 factorial is 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We want to prime factorize all these numbers, meaning that this is really 12 factorial is really, so first of all, we have to factorize 12 into a prime factorization form. This is 3 times 2 squared times 11 times 2 times 5 for 10 times 3 squared times 2 cubed times 7 times 6 times 5. Wait, no, not times 6. Sorry, it's times 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 squared times 3 times 2 times 1. Now we can count up all these numbers and basically add them up. So this is 12 factorial 2 to the 10th power, because there's two 10s being multiplied here, times 3 to the 5th power, times 5 squared, times 11, times 7. This will be all the numbers we have here. But we don't really care for all of these numbers, because we just want the squares. We want all the ones that can be expressed as squares. So what we can do is 2 to the 10th is a square, so there's 2/5 possibilities for that. This is going to be 3 to the 3 squared, since when you square this is going to be 3 to the 4th power, and then plus that, multiply that by that extra 3 to the 5th power, times 5. All this squared times 3 times 11 times 7. We don't care for these, because these are not the squares. We can use, so what we can do is we can really just find out how many numbers are in this by using the number of factors formula for this. This is going to be 5 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1. This is going to be 6 times 3 times 2. This is going to be 6 times 6, or 36. We have the denominator, the m. We want to find the n, which is basically all these numbers multiplied together. 11 times 6 times 3 times 2 times 2, because these are power of 1s. This is going to be a huge number, specifically 792. Wait, 792. And then 36 divided by 792, because that's the probability of a square. This can be simplified to 1 over 22. So our sum is going to be 22 plus 1 is 23. And we are done.